So if you want a smile makeover without having to have your teeth ground down or any major type of invasive dental work, Veneers is that's the one for you. And what I generally do at a consultation appointment, again, we're going to be looking strictly at cosmetics. We'll do a smile analysis. There are different things that affect your smile, the length, width of your teeth, shape of your teeth, the position of your teeth. All those things go together and makes the difference between a smile that you go wow and one that not bad but not quite right. So it's a scientific thing called anthropomorphics, and we go through a checklist and create a smile for you. Now, Dr. Pearson, what you think looks good may not be what I think, and I couldn't agree more. And that is why we have a laboratory do like a replica of what we want you to look like, and they'll transform that into something called a trial smile, which is actually a bonding of what we want to see what it looks like. You get to know what it looks like before you get it done. Fine tune that till we get it, everybody's happy, and then we can simply have the lab duplicate those results in the temporary. So you get to see it in your temporary before you ever get it put in the mouth. Pretty cool stuff and magnificent results. One of my favorite things to do.